Okay, here's everything you need to know about the actual doors in 3.5 minutes. Two types of doors, a slab or a pre-hung. A slab means you are getting just the door. Nothing's been cut, drilled, or shaped. You buy these when you are replacing the door only. A pre-hung door is a door that comes within its own frame. So you would get one of these when you need to replace your door frame, usually because it's rotten, cracked, termite infested, or you just hate it and it has 20 coats of paint on it. Next up, there is the interior door and the exterior door. Interior doors are generally 1 3/8 thick. That's just under 1.5 inches. Exterior doors are generally 1 3/4 inches thick, although you can find variations, but those are the two general differences. Exterior doors could be wood, metal, or fiberglass. Interior doors are generally wood or some sort of wood composite and could even be hollow. Even though doors come in different sizes, the sizes are standard. Let's start with the width. Standard door widths are 24 inches, 28 inches, 30 inches, 32 inches, 34 inches, 36 inches, 42 inches, and 48 inches. 34 inches, even though it's standard, is almost always a special order. Standard door heights include 80, 84, and 96 inches. There are thousands of door styles, so I'm just going to tell you what the most common are. Number one is the flush door. This means it is flat. It has no details. These could be solid or hollow. Next is the 6-panel door. This is the most common door, interior or exterior. This is what they look like, and there are lots of variations on these. Lastly, we have the French door. A French door is any door that has glass in it, and the glass is called a light. This is a 1-light French door. This is a 15-light French door. There are too many doors to include all of the styles. These are the main ones, and there are variations of them all, and they are all available in interior and exterior. So the first step in ordering a new door is to measure it. You measure the width, you measure the height, you measure the thickness. Then decide, are you getting just the door or are you getting the door and the frame? When you're ready to buy, you can buy something at the Home Depot. You will generally get the best pricing there, and they have a large variety available. If they do not, you can go to a local door supplier who specializes in doors. You might pay a little bit more, but you can often have access to better doors, a larger variety of doors, and the people who work there are generally far more knowledgeable than your local Home Depot door specialist. If you understood all of that, congratulations, you now know more than I did when I started my first contracting business. Thanks for watching.